Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make Yahoo your default homepage in Microsoft Edge. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Microsoft Edge and then select the menu icon at the top right corner that says Settings and More. Go ahead and left click on that and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, select where it says Start, Home, and New tabs. And then where it says Open these pages, go ahead and select Add a new page. Type in yahoo.com and then select Add. Now if you want to remove any other old pages in here, you just select the three-dot icon next to it and then delete. But that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.